this hand fan is powered by battery, and the battery, the capacity is 10,000 mAh each. So adding the two together, it will be 20,000 mAh. And this battery is power bank battery, So this is the project that I want to present to you today. This is done by my students. If I own this fan, it's going to, it's going to work. So let me try it. Wow, it works. Honestly, this is awesome. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I would like to know your name one by one. Starting from you. What's your name?
My name is Adiko.
Okay. You?
Jimo Sai.
Jimo Sai. Oh,
Sakari.
what's your age?
Mine is 13 years.
You're 13 years old.
I'm 13 years old.
You're 13 years as well. Wow. What of you?
14 years old.
14. Oh, that's good. That's awesome. I discovered that you had a project to show, right?
Yes, yes.
And I want the audience to know you better. So I'd like to know your school. Which school do you attend?
I attend White Christian Middle School.
White Christian Middle School. What of you?
White Christian Middle School.
Okay, three of you came from the same school.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. And then, please don't mind me. I want to share some important information as touching your future. I want to know your discipline. What would you like to become in the future? An artist. Okay. What of you, Aside?
I want to become a mechanical engineer.
Oh, mechanical engineer. That's a good one. You want to become electrical. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, but we are having three professions here: artist, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering. That's awesome. But how these two of you come about the project that you're having for me? Let's see. How did two of you come about this project? Three of you. Because now his own profession is contradicting this. So this is an artist. You as a mechanical engineering, you also mechanical engineering. You electrical engineering. I'm very sure that three of you, before you can be present here, you've contributed to this project, right? Okay. Audience, this is electric hand fan, and this hand fan is powered by battery, and the battery, the capacity is 10,000 mAh each. So adding the two together, it will be 20,000 mAh, and this battery is power bank battery, So this is the project that I want to present to you today. This is done by my students, and I'm very glad that they can do this. Now, I have some few questions to them which I want you to also listen to. And the first question is this: how do people come together to build this thing? Because me looking at it like this, this kind of thing is done by engineers. Engineers, are you getting it? So you as an art student, let me point to you. As an art student, what is your motivation behind? What is your rationale behind this? What's the contribution? Let me put it like that. Okay, you are the one that designed this. Wow, that's good. In fact, without the design, we won't be able to hold this thing. Are you getting it? That's a very good one. You designed it like this. Okay, all these parts on the back. That's a good one. Said, mechanical engineering. What's your own contribution as coaching this project?
The motor, the battery, and the fan.
Okay. So are you telling me that if I on this fan now, it's going to start working?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If I on the fan now, it's going to start working.
Yes.
And at least it can produce some, even if it's limit, I can have some heat from this fan. Let's say I'm sweating, then if I power on this fan can ease. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to try it at the end of this discussion. Read one. Okay, since three of you contribute and bring this up, I'm very sure you also have a contribution here, right? Okay, what's your own contribution?
The one that connects all the wires.
Wow! Wow, it's complete. Design and
The equipment.
okay. And you connect the wire. Wow. I love your work actually, and I'm highly glad that you can come about this thing. That means that what you are learning in school is practical. Is that not it? Yes, you are being taught practical in school, in physics. This one is like this, this one like this. What you have here is the application of what you learned. Is that not it? And I'm very glad that you can come about this. Very glad. And now let me try your work. Since you assured me that if I own this fan, it's going to, it's going to work. So let me try it. Wow, it worked. Honestly, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Audience, can you see this? This is the power button. The design is very good. This is the power button, and we have the battery here. The battery is connected to the fan here, and then you that designed this, I'm very glad that you did something kind of this. In fact, we won't be able to hold this. That means 3 of you need yourself. Is that not it? Ask design, and both of you combine knowledge to produce this thing. Clap yourself. Clap yourself again. So, this work is a good work. Are you getting it? But I want to know the project that you're working on next. I don't know if you can share it with me. Okay, you're working on a car. That means you're going to be helping with the design, right? Wow, I love your combination. Also, I forgot to ask, what's your grade? Grade are you? Grade 10. Okay, that is equivalent to SS1, than SS1 student. That is good. Viewers, I'm very glad that you are part of this we are doing. As you can see, this is an electric hand fan, and I've already powered this one, as you can see. The next project that these people will be working on is a car. Are you getting it? And if there is any need for you to support them on the needed resources that they need, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. This is just a form of encouragement because they are my students. I love them with my heart, and I'm encouraged by what they have done. And I don't know, can you also do something like this more? But I want it to be more packaged. Okay, that's the work of an artist. Are you getting it? I want to work on this more, and then just brand it and make sure that all these things are showing. Then you can come back. And I'm very sure if I invite you next time, you're going to be present, right? Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Tawab. Thank you very much, Mr. Rimba.